Tara, we have a high note for all, yeah? Listen. We have a high note for all. So why you take those sexy lips and bite my from the piece? Don't bite it off. Just put it on this. Right here, sir. Right here, sir. Right here, sir. Right here, sir. Right here. You're from here. Alright, the boy like your boy.
Daga Master promote. Daga Master promote.
You think we done with it yet? We not done with it yet, you know, Tara. Come on, person. Sorry. Excuse me, please. I'm going on the main stage again. Excuse me, please. Well,
Oh, you mean you don't subscribe yet? Oh, you mean you don't turn on the notification bell? Oh, you mean you don't like, share and comment? Oh, you mean you don't tell your friend them about Yaadman Etan?
listen. I want to go on your forehead. On your forehead. On your forehead. Try it. On your forehead. Take off the glasses. Take off the glasses. Take off the glasses. You're gonna damage your glasses. You're gonna damage your glasses. Not on it, not right. Just right here. Yeah, take off the glasses. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. And the young there will throw the chair for you. They throw the chair for you. See that? See that? Let's go. Let's go. See them a cheer for you. Ready? 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 I want you to run and jump around my waist. Just jump on my waist. One time. Ready now. Ready now. Push. Y'all bring our in and jump. Run, go. Run, go. Jump on me. Wait. Alright. You're time now. You're time. Down for ya. You ever dated a black lady before? Oh, alright. Listen to me, baby. Me want you to run and jump round him waist. Yes. Me want you to run and jump round him waist. Ready now, ready now, ready now. We take a wheel up the pipe. Whoa! Whoa! Please! Stop it! Stop it! Stop it! Alright! Alright! Stop it! Stop it! Stop it! Stop it! Stop it! Stop it! Give him a round of applause, I'm tired.
Oi, oi!
Give him a round of applause, please. Give him a round. Give him a round round of applause to the place. Better than that, better than that. Blessed love, my brother. Pick up yourself.
Oh, you.
You ready to go home?
Must I leave now?
I'm hungry. I'm not hungry. I'm hungry.
You ever don't know say Yaadman there, I'm there with real I-Octane.
Yaadman, where you dealing?
Yo, my there, you know, brother. Is the man I say, yo, I tell you the God truth, you know. The first time I see a performer live in a dirt dog, I know say, no, I understand. I understand why them call it Octane, you know. Pure vibes, pure energy.
Yeah.
Yo, my there, man, I dead with love to you, know, brother.
Yeah, man, a mad thing. You know what thing going on yard, man? You know what thing say? You know, say no artists take people money and run on past stage. Yo, dash!
Yeah.
Dash!
Yeah.
Like a rubbish.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? But we have to give the people them entertainment. True. We have to entertain the people.
True.
So New Orleans, you know what thing already? I'm there with the boss. No.
Yeah, man. So this is your first time in New Orleans?
First time.
First time I perform?
In
so much you
flesh.
travel?
In flesh, but maybe I'm come already in spirit.
Okay. All right.
Yeah, man, first time.
Yeah,
first time.
yeah,
I think
yeah.
I'm a first time, yeah. Yeah, but man, I know place I come, man. I have about 6 passports. Yeah, man. But if I come to immigration, the man say, son, what you do with all of this? I say, just stamp my book up and go on.
All right. So I have a question, brother. So like, how long you grow the locks?
Yo, my locks? Why right now, I grew it like about 10 years.
10 years.
Yeah, but you don't know, I have to kind of roll it up.
Yeah.
When I roll it up, some people say, yo, a girl style lock.
No.
Must say a girl style lock. So
yeah,
I say, we
yeah.
mean by girl style. So when me drop down my locks down yesterday, it pop off my neck. You know, hit me with a weight there.
True. Okay, now me there for 3.5 years right now, I try to find some other styles so I can incorporate in my look thing. Where do you think we can?
Well, yeah, alright, you know, weight, not only about weight, but when you reach all there, so.
Yeah.
I look like, you know, my type of hair, you know.
Why your type of hair?
Look like a maca head. You know, the curly hair. A bad head. A bad head, him up.
Yo, if you say the man, I tell the God truth, you know, my hair can sprout pot, you know.
Yeah.
So, I true.
I look for it. A while ago, I look for it, I say, hey, trying to sleep, kill his company. My pot them with a wash. Yeah, we don't know. Yo, just do anything we want to do there, brother. Yeah, what you know.
Alright, cool.
You know what I mean? Yeah.
Yeah, man. So, I have a next thing now. See, so, me as a single man nowadays, I say, and honestly, more while, I just focus on my work. But, you know, sometimes I get kind of lonely when I sleep in my bed. Yeah, that's what I say.
You're single, or you just say, put out that in the world because you need more female. Which one?
My Instagram full up in them, but
oh, yes, now.
yeah, I just need some advice.
But here we go on now.
Yeah.
What you need? You need a relationship or what you need?
Yeah, like relationship advice.
Oh, you need a relationship?
Yeah, man. So yeah, sir.
You know, I think you're still in your teens. I don't think you need a relationship right now. You can't manage that, daddy.
You're right. You're right. So I say just cut and go through.
So you don't know. Cut the camera. One arm move. Wanna shake him? Yeah, but here we go on now. Relationship. Good advice no young teenager like, you know what I mean, early 20s, we kinda you have to go through that, brother. Alright, now a superstar like you, what if a girl like you?
True.
And if you take on a relationship on a serious note right now, you're gonna get problem and you'll get a woman bun. Yeah, because watch you now. Remember saying no, experiences teaches wisdom.
True.
You understand?
True.
And then a lot of people jump in a relationship when they're young. And them feel the void, that thing there. So no matter where the man or the woman do, after a period of time, then them feel like, yo, I see something like this and I feel like more experience. Because they've never tried it before. I remember say human being, the Almighty make us for growth, for grow. That's why you creep, then you walk, you know what I mean? So if you're not grow, if you feel stagnant, then you're going to start to lash out on the person, take out the problem on the person. But you know, when you run the market and sample the market and do what you need to do, then now you can say, all right, then this is what we need, this is what we want, and this. But right now, in terms of relationship, things go a little governor songs.
All right, cool. So if I just take my time and go after Shensia later, that's what you're saying.
Ramesh! Yo, I'm not busy with that, you know. Yeah, can go on there, man. You know what I mean? The blue tick, the Schengen blue tick. Yeah. You never know. Nothing try, not beat a child but a failure. Yeah.
True.
Never know.
Yeah, man.
I'm a crush man, Shensia.
Boy, I'm living in her comment section, you know.
Should I reply?
No, man, she replied a couple times, man.
Okay.
Yeah, man, we meet her, book her in her real life at Atlanta Carnival. And, you know, I hug her up and she did recognize me, man.
Yeah, she recognize her. But she hug you up as a fan, but she not even knowing that you're I said, my woman, this is. Yeah.
So, as my ancestors, I mean, you know, so me I eat anything from Shensi, and as long as I'm a pork and I can't cook, is it, man? So,
oh, but
so,
yeah, like you said, and you can't come when you say, would I eat anything from Shensi, I was like, you know, when I tell me go for run out of that shop. Because you know, want to put her and kill me. I said, Octane, eating argument. Well, yeah, man make it precise as long as it cook.
As long as it cook and not pork.
Good.
Isn't it? Because I can't manage everything there. So, Octane, what you say?
Shensi can cook?
I see her can do a thing, but sometimes I see her, you know, cook up some pork and things and say, boy, that's...
Yeah. Told me she push the rice in her mouth when they now get no food. Told me she got the restaurant that goes over the rice. You don't get no food. You don't get no food. Yaadman, you don't know. The youth there. Full of vibe. Big up, you know what I mean? It's a pleasure doing the interview. Nice. Long time no do an interview was so refreshing and fun. You know what I mean? Body actually asked me how much toe my foot have on, what size shoes. Oh, your foot so little, so I start by bigger shoes. Because them say bigger your shoes. You know, woman stay already, so I start by her shoes. I flap over my foot, because my foot look big. Yeah, can't bother with it, man. So here me from the voices, I-Octane presented for Yaadman, dog. Yaadman, put the big Benz on the washing stand. Rolex a jeep when he done flash him on. From a girl thing, we not try and chatting down. Shirt tucked from my belly with the black ingram. On the hill, put the White House like Washington. Them a speculator wonder how we pack it down. 600 million, the profit strong. Bike to the traffic, them flashing and tashing down. Take a boy, girl crashing. Yaadman stepping on the street here in fresh like water. Pull up over Portmore, stopping at the plaza. Him have girl a Portsmouth, some over Gaza. Yo, bro, him no left him charger. Next day, St. James, link up Sparta. Daddy don't like him gone with the Ramesh don't like him gone with Shensia. Yes.
Yo, appreciate it, bro.